Hello everyone, so let's do our next exercise to display a message on LCD screen. Okay, so this is how your LCD is connected to your Arduino board. Okay, and I haven't used any potentiometer to adjust the brightness of my LCD. Alright, okay, go to your block diagram. Now here go to your Arduino library and select your Arduino initialization function. Just right click on visa resource and create your COM port. Alright, now you need to declare your pins, LCD pins. So select your LCD configuration function. Okay, now connect your Arduino resource and error in, and here's your LCD control panel. Okay, to declare your LCD pins. Right, okay, now you need to declare the rows and columns of your LCD. So select LCD initialization function. First of all, connect your Arduino resource and error out. Now I'm using 16:2 LCD, so my number of columns are 16 and number of rows are 2. Okay, now you need to print the message continuously, so that's why I'm creating a while loop in it. Add its stop condition. Now select your cursor position function, okay, to where you want to print the message. So here's my cursor position function. First of all, connect your Arduino resource and error out, and let's give a control to your column and rows. Okay, now LCD print function to print the message. Okay, so here you'll enter your data. That is your message which you want to print on your LCD screen. Okay, and your message is string type. Okay, right, now finally add your Arduino close function and error out. Okay, so just close your block diagram. Now drag your message. Here are your rows and columns, and here's your stop condition. Okay, so let's increase its size to 24 and color to blue. Okay, now assign your pin. Now I have connected my reset pin to pin number 2 and read write pin to ground, so that's why I'll write 0, and enable pin to pin number 3, and data pin 4 I have connected to pin number 4, 5, 6 and 7. So here's your dummy LCD pin, so give a address, let's say 10. Alright, now connect your Arduino board. Alright, here's my Arduino board. Alright, so find your COM port first, COM 3. Now write your message hello and F5. Alright, now hit run. Okay, so here you can see your message has been printed. Alright, now you can also ship your message by just clicking these rows and columns. Okay, so here it's not functioning, so let's do this in our next exercise. Alright.